Port forwarding directs incoming internet traffic from a specific port to a device on your local network. This is essential for applications like gaming servers or remote access. Here's how port forwarding works. Traffic from the internet flows through your router to specific devices on your local network. With Xfinity, manage port forwarding via the Xfinity app on iOS and Android. The app integrates with Xfinity gateway routers like the XB7, XB8, or XFi Complete series. Recent updates have enhanced security with two-factor authentication and biometric login to protect your port forwarding settings. To get started, open the Xfinity app on your iOS or Android device. Sign into your account and select it from the list. Navigate to the Internet section, then Advanced Settings. Finally, select Port Forwarding from the menu. Here you'll see the port forwarding setup. Port forwarding creates a rule that maps an external port to an internal IP address and port on a device. Without port forwarding, the firewall blocks incoming connections for security reasons. To add a port forwarding rule in the Xfinity app, first navigate to the port forwarding section and tap the Add Rule button. Select your device by entering its MAC address or IP address. Choose the protocol, TCP for reliable connections, UDP for faster but less reliable ones, or both. Set the external port range and the internal port number that traffic will be forwarded to. For example, to forward port 80 for a web server, configure the rule as shown. Always test your port after setting up the rule using the app's Test Port feature. Enter the port number and check if it's externally reachable. Rules save automatically. Monitor them through the app's activity logs for security. For security, use strong passwords, assign static IP addresses to devices, and disable forwarding rules when they're not needed.